In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to remove a video watermark completely free. First, open Google and type on watermark.ai in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, go to the Tools section and select Video Logo Remover. Now upload the video you want to edit. Once uploaded, you'll see a box on the screen. Delete that default box and create a new one by dragging it over the watermark on your video. Make sure the box is perfectly placed over the watermark. Next, click on the Remove for Free button to start the process. While the tool works on removing the watermark, make sure to hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Once the processing is complete, you will notice that the watermark is successfully removed. Finally, click on the download button to save the edited video to your device. That's it. You've just removed the watermark effortlessly and for free. Keep watching for more tips like this.